Okay, so this question is from Rob's AJ, and he's asking, do I prefer Fiverr or Upwork? So thanks for watching Starting Up everyone, the channel all about sharing tips for selling online. If you have any comments or opinions of what I say now, let everyone know in the comments box below. I'd be really interested to hear it. But Fiverr versus Upwork, what do I prefer? I think out of the two, I sort of fundamentally prefer Upwork. But I do believe both Fiverr and Upwork have uses or benefits in different scenarios. So I do use them both, and I use them for different purposes, and I'll explain exactly what those purposes are now. So Fiverr, what do I use Fiverr for? Fiverr is great if you just want like a random one-off job done. Like if you're not looking to have an ongoing contract with someone, you just have an odd job you need done and you want it done quickly, Fiverr's fantastic. So for instance, what do I get done with Fiverr? If I have a random t-shirt design idea, I'll go and find a designer on Fiverr and pay them to make it for me in like next day delivery, nice and quickly. I also get people to do like logo designs on Fiverr for me. I also use people, I'm starting a blog on my website, startingup.com, where I'm basically transcribing these videos that I make for you now, and I'm putting it into written content, so blog format on my blog. And I found random blog writers through Fiverr. So, you know, I had a random video that I wanted to convert to a blog. I went onto Fiverr, I found the right freelancer for it. I tested them out, they were fine, and I paid them for that individual job. So just starting out, testing the water, finding random people for random jobs, Fiverr is fantastic, and I've had some really good success with that. You do have to kind of spread the net wide. So with designers, if I need a designer to make 5 or 10 shirts for me randomly, I'll try out like 2, 4, 6 different designers at the same time and see which ones come back with the best work, so I know that I can use that designer moving forwards. So it's a great like testing ground as well, Fiverr. But Fiverr I use more really for short-term jobs. Upwork, my favorite out of the two. I love Upwork. You can get really good quality, value for money workers there on a long-term basis, and this is exactly what I use Upwork for. So I've just hired a virtual assistant through Upwork. Now this virtual assistant is going to be working for me starting out 2 hours a day, 5 days a week. So it's an ongoing contract, 10 hours a week, doing bits and bobs here and there. And Upwork is amazing for these kind of jobs. You know, you can write a job description. You can say, you know, the amount of money you're looking to pay people, the skills you need, how many hours a week you need them for. And basically when you put a job description up there, you can say if you're going to pay them hourly or if you're going to pay them for one-off jobs. There's a lot of flexibility there. But this was perfect for me because I wanted this VA on a long-term basis. So I put my job description up, I got like 20 replies. Upwork has this great way where you can like shortlist or you can reject people that have applied straight from the recipients that you have. So I shortlisted that down to like 3 people. I had interviews with them and I narrowed that down to 1 person. And I now basically have an ongoing contract set up through Upwork of 10 hours a week, where this virtual assistant I found, her name's Christine from the Philippines, she works for me 10 hours a week. And the beauty of Upwork is I can pay them weekly. So, you know, when the 10 hours are done, I can press pay and I can say renew this contract for another week, and it renews again on an ongoing basis. And also the amazing thing about Upwork is if you're paying people to work for you hourly, they have tracking software through the website. So my virtual assistant, when she logs on every day to work for me, she basically goes to Upwork and says, you know, I'm working now for Greg. And Upwork takes screenshots of her screen every, I think, 10 or 20 minutes to make sure that she is actually doing work that I've given her. So I can basically track her time and make sure that she's actually working for me and doing the work that I've requested with the money that I've paid. So Upwork's amazing for those ongoing contracts where you maybe want to renew things every week or every 2 weeks, and also where you want to keep tabs on how your team is doing. Fiverr is great if you just have a quick job you want done and you want to get it turned around quickly and you want to find a specific person for a specific skill, pay them straight away. Fiverr is great for the short and sweet. If you want to use any of these websites, I'll link you to Fiverr and Upwork in the description box and you can get up and running. And I'll try and find a video as well where I wrote a example job description that I've used for Upwork, so if you need to copy and paste that, there'll be the video below if I can find it. No promises there though. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow with another question. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my daily question and answer series. If you've got a question for me that you want answering, feel free to message me in the comment box below on startstartingup.com or on my Instagram. Send me a DM and I will try and answer your questions there. This channel is all about sharing tips of selling online, so make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and also like and share this video. See ya.